Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a really simple logo for the demo website we're going to build in this course. This logo, as you can see, has some graphical elements, there's some text, there's some colors, and I'm going to show you how to create it in Canva. So let's get started. When you first log into Canva, you should see you can create a design. Sometimes you might see the word logo here right away, but we're going to look for that tab. So create a design, and then you should see under popular here logo 500 by 500 pixels. That's what we're going to create. And we're going to use example here. So some font combinations. So under text, click on font combinations, see all, and then scroll down till you see the one that says fresh and trending. We're going to use this as our sort of centerpiece of the logo for the name of the daycare, which is called Nature Daycare. So we're going to replace the top there with nature and the bottom with daycare. We get away from the binary of blue and pink. We are going to modify these colors here. So just clicking on the top word, double clicking to select the text, and then going to text color. We're going to change the color here to be aqua. This one here, aqua blue. So if you don't see it in this list here, you can type in your own color under add new color. And the hexadecimal color code for this color is 0CC0DF. And so that's the aqua color we're going to use. And then for the word daycare, we're going to use violet, which is the color. Again, you can type in the hexadecimal code 5E17EB. So that's the purple we're going to use there. We're going to make it more bold so it has a little bit more weight to it. So double click on the text and then hit B here to make it bold. All right, so we have the text, and I can scale them here so that they are quite large in the frame. Next, we're going to add the sun graphical element. So let's go over to elements. You can see there are a lot that have these pro icon on them. We're not going to use any of those. Instead, we're going to search for sun outline. And then under graphics, you scroll down till you find the free yellow sun. Just by clicking on it, it will be added to your design. And then we're going to expand it so it takes up a whole width of the page behind the text. And we're going to crop this logo so that it looks kind of like the sun is rising out of the horizon. So I'm going to take the text now, selecting it here and dragging it up using the guides to center it just above. The last thing we're going to add here is a brush stroke. So under draw, I'm going to add a brush stroke that's the same color yellow as the sun. So these are the different pens that I have. This is a fine, a marker, and then sort of more like a highlighter. When I click on the highlighter, I get the color yellow. I don't want to use this color. I want to use my own custom color. Again, that custom color is being pulled from the sun itself. And so you can do that by using the pick a color and then going over top of the logo here. Let's try that again. Pick a color. And it is not selecting it from here. Maybe I need to zoom in. So you can zoom in using Control, and it's just simply going over yellow. Well, I know the color code as well for this one, so if you weren't able to pick the color from your design, you can also, again, record the color code from your swipe file, which you're going to be creating in project part 1 for your own unique design. And the color code here is FFD1A2. So I'm going to zoom out now. You can see I'm at 500%. I'm going to zoom to fit, and I can see what my logo looks like, and now I'm ready to draw my line underneath the horizon. And you may need to do this a few times using Control Z to get it exactly the way you want it to. I'm looking for a bit of an off-center block. I'm now going to go back to design and select the text, and I'm going to bring it to the front of my logo. You can see that the line I drew is in the foreground. I want to put that in the background, so I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to select the text, and then under position, I'm going to send it to the front so that it is above the background. The last thing we need to do is save it. So under File, we are going to change the name of the logo here, D logo for daycare or demo logo. And then now that we'll save it with the name, when we share and download, we will download a PNG type file, and clicking download will download that image to your downloads folder. And then please follow the instructions in the assignment with steps on how to move this file into the appropriate folder in your file system.